Hey guys, got a little tip for you here on drivers on new installations. This happens a lot. I looked through the video and maybe I haven't covered it. I could have sworn I did, but here you go, a little update on it. So when you go to your device manager, you got a fresh install. You know, went through all your drivers. Everything looks clear. You did your well, this probably gonna take a little bit. You did your refresh hardware. Let's see if it comes up in a second or not. Let's see. Let me pause it a little bit just so you can see it. Okay, so this takes a little while for it to come up. Probably took like, I don't know, 15-20 seconds. So if you don't see it, just wait for it. It's this little icon right here. So scan for hardware changes. That's kind of like a refresh for the drivers. So the point I want to show you here, which is pretty common, is the display driver looks good. There's no flag or anything like that. So what happens there is that you get the standard VGA adapter. So that's like a default generic driver. So whenever you see that one there, that one's never the correct one. It doesn't matter if it's the regular HD on the motherboard. It's not going to be that standard graphics. In this case here, the unit has a video card, so it's probably a little bit more obvious if you see a video card on there and you see standard VGA. But regardless, this is never going to be the correct driver. This is kind of like a fill-in driver. It works. Your resolution you can adjust, and it doesn't pop up when you look at this. So it's super easy to miss. Everybody misses it. You gotta come here and look at it specifically, and I do. That's why I wind up catching it whenever it doesn't get updated. So take a look at that. That's your little tip on your drivers. Now you know.